Hi creatives, in this video you're going to see how to make keychains using faxed leather scraps, your Cricut Joy, and Cricut iron. Design your words in design space. Now you're going to peel, remove, and cut your inspirational words out. Now you're going to place it right on top of the leather strip, and then you're going to take parchment paper, cover it over, and begin to iron it on. You're going to continue to iron back and forth, checking occasionally to make sure the words have been pressed into the leather strip. This is an option. You can remove the parchment paper and then iron over the plastic to make sure it has completely pressed into the leather, giving it a few more iron on, and that's it. Remove the plastic and double check that the letters have been pressed into the leather. If it's not completely pressed in, just put the plastic back over and iron on again until it's completely pressed in, and that's it. I use 2-part epoxy 5-minute glue because it's the best and is long lasting. However, you could use whatever glue you want. Mix the glue for 1 minute and then take the glue and place it in the enclosure, completely around inside the corners of it. Even out the strip, then add the enclosure and then close the enclosure using flat nose pliers. Add your jump ring, then add your key rings, then close up your jump ring and seal it with a little tip of glue so it could lock in place, and that's it. Leave a comment in the description box. Let me know if you will make these key rings or would you do something different, guys. I would love to know your thoughts. Keychains, guys, could be placed on your keys, they could be placed on your bag, or wherever you desire. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jen, have fun just being creative. Bye!